Imagine that you could remember all the best content you read online and actually make something out of it. Imagine you could let time work for you and slowly, drip by drip, build up the knowledge you need in this rapidly changing world. Imagine you could capture your ideas and insights easily and turn them into something valuable for yourself and for others. That's what we are building Trickle for, and we came a big step closer with the latest updates. Let me show you how. The new features are focused on the mechanics of how to add your own content to Trickle. As a reminder, you can not only learn from others with Trickle, but also add your own content in the form of sources, drips, and streams. You'll find these options in the My Trickle section of the page. Starting off, we added a new dialog to add streams. You can think of streams as folders for your content. You can easily add sources and drips to streams. Create a new stream by clicking the Add Stream button and give your stream a name. We're going to suggest some images based on an Unsplash search. You can also run your own search. Select one of these images, give your stream a color, click Add Stream, and you're done. You can also edit the stream details later if you want. The new dialog makes it very easy to create many different streams based on your interests and use them as a basis to collect sources and drips. We also improved the way you can add sources to Trickle. Find your saved sources in the My Sources section. Anything with a link can be added to Trickle as a source. You add a source with the plus button on the top left. Paste the URL, click Add Source. One click and you're done. From now on, the source is stored in Trickle in your My Sources page. You could close the dialog here, but you could also proceed with some fine-tuning. For example, you can add a private note. This private note is visible to you everywhere where you see this source in Trickle. If you want, you can also connect a source to a stream from here, similar like adding it to a folder. You search your streams, select a stream, and click Connect. Different to a folder, you can now connect it to multiple streams at the same time. You can open the Connect dialog anywhere where you see the source in Trickle. And connect and disconnect sources from here. We also introduced the option to edit the preview of a source. Click on the three dots menu of any source and then Edit Preview. You can edit the URL, the title, and the preview image. This is particularly useful if the current preview image is not very nice and you want to search for a different image on the web. You can just copy the image URL, paste it here, and load a better image. And you click Save. The preview is updated. An update that I'm personally very excited about is a new way to edit your drips. Find your drips in the My Drips section. The drip reader is intentionally focused on learning one drip at a time. But we found that writing and editing drips has different demands. That's why we introduced the multi-drip editor, which is going to be the upcoming default way for editing drips. Creating a storyline and organizing your thought is a process that benefits from the big picture and context of what comes before and after the current drip. On the left side, you see the table of contents. You can edit the outline of a stream by adding a chapter or adding a drip or moving drips up and down. This gives you a great overview about your current stream. On the right side, you see all drips of the current chapter, and you can edit them right away. You can also connect sources to the drips from here by clicking the plus button. This opens the Add Source dialog, you paste a URL, and it's immediately connected to this drip. From here, you can also connect it to other streams of yours. You can click any source to open the Connect dialog. Okay, so that's it for now. I spare you the details of some small updates we made under the hood. I hope you like it. I hope you check it out under Trickle.app to create a free account. And see you soon with more updates to come. Bye!